Welcome to Ancient Stoic Secrets, the place where modern men rediscover timeless strength. Today we're uncovering a painful pattern many men face. The moment you open up, offer your full heart and commit, she starts to pull away. It feels like betrayal, like the rules just changed. But what if this isn't about her being cruel, or you being weak? What if it's a silent test of your presence, not your passion? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see why emotional overinvestment often leads to emotional distance and how to respond with calm strength, not panic. Let's begin. 1. The emotional pendulum. When you're all in, she starts stepping back, not because you're not enough, but because you're too available. It's not fair, but it's real. Human desire thrives on a dance of closeness and space. If you collapse your entire identity into her, she begins to lose the man she was drawn to, the one with his own gravity. So when she pulls away, it's not always rejection. Sometimes it's just her trying to feel herself again. Your job isn't to chase, it's to stay rooted. Ask yourself, was I showing love or giving up my core? Women respect men who give love without giving up themselves. 2. The power of stillness. You don't need to react to every emotional wave. When she pulls back, silence becomes your ally. Most men rush in with reassurance, desperate to fix. But strength isn't in fixing, it's in witnessing, holding ground. A stoic man doesn't collapse under uncertainty. He breathes through it. When she feels your calm presence, she starts to trust again. She's not testing your love, she's testing your center. Stand firm. Let her feel your peace without demanding closeness. Stillness is not passive, it's powerful. 6. Don't abandon your life. The moment you fall hard, don't fall out of your mission. Too many men trade purpose for romance, and it never ends well. Your ambition, your growth, your fire, those were part of what attracted her. If you drop it all to orbit around her world, she feels that shift. It doesn't feel like devotion to her. It feels like pressure. Stay committed to your path. Show her she's loved, but not your new purpose. A man on a mission keeps his woman inspired, not burdened. Her fear of losing control. When emotions run deep, some women retreat out of fear, not of you, but of losing themselves. She may have been hurt before. She may fear being dependent or vulnerable. So as she feels something real, she might sabotage it. It's not logical, but it's human. Your role isn't to force her back. It's to offer consistent presence without grasping. Say less, show more. Let her sort through her fear while you remain emotionally solid. That's rare, and rare is attractive. 5. Overgiving is not love. You gave everything, your time, attention, effort, hoping she'd feel safe and stay. But too much giving too fast can feel suffocating, especially if it's driven by fear of losing her. True love doesn't come from need. It comes from abundance. If you're pouring into her while running on empty, that's not love, it's anxiety. Take inventory. Are you giving from fullness or to be chosen? She can feel the difference. And if she senses you're trying to earn her with overgiving, she may pull away to breathe. Real connection requires two full people, not one pouring into the other endlessly. 6. Attraction needs mystery. Predictability is safe, but it's not always sexy. When she can predict every move, every text, every thought, you become familiar, not fascinating. Mystery doesn't mean games. It means keeping parts of yourself that are yours, your dreams, your struggles, your silence. Let her lean in sometimes, not just you leaning forward. A man who keeps a little mystery keeps attraction alive. You don't need to hide, you need to hold. Hold some space. Hold your frame. Let her wonder a little. 7. The masculine frame. Calm, not control. Many men confuse strength with control, trying to fix, manage, or steer the relationship. But true masculinity is a calm frame, not a controlling force. When she pulls away, don't try to control the outcome. Stay rooted in your values. Your energy should say, you can go if you need to. I'll be okay either way. Not as a threat, but as truth. Women feel safe around men who are safe with themselves, and nothing says safe like calm detachment from chaos. Not cold, not distant, just deeply centered. 8. Avoid the panic spiral. When she grows distant, panic can set in. You overthink, you replay conversations, you text too much, and in that spiral, you lose your masculine grounding. This desperation, even if hidden, pushes her further. Remember, attraction isn't built in panic, it dies there. If you feel the urge to act out of fear, pause. Go for a run. Call a brother. Meditate. Get back to your breath. You cannot think clearly when you're begging for connection. Power returns in stillness. Time. 9. Know when to walk away. Sometimes pulling away isn't a test. It's a goodbye in slow motion. And clinging only prolongs your pain. A Stoic man reads the signs. If she's consistently distant, cold, dismissive, it may be time to detach. Not out of spite, but out of self-respect. You are not here to beg. You are not here to convince. You are here to love. And if that love is no longer received, you walk. Quietly, calmly, completely. 10. Your peace is your power. At the core of everything is this truth. The man who owns his peace owns his life. She may come back, she may not. But you remain strong, focused, centered. You are not here to chase emotion. You are here to embody presence. When she pulls away, let her. But don't lose yourself in the process. Because a man who stays grounded, through longing, through loss, through love, that man becomes unshakable. If this message spoke to you, you're probably not the only one feeling it. The journey of becoming a grounded, resilient man isn't something we're meant to walk alone. Subscribe to Ancient Stoic Secrets for weekly insights on masculine strength, emotional control, and inner stillness. Every video is a reminder. You're not crazy for feeling deeply, for needing space, or for wanting something real. Drop your story in the comments. Just a few honest words from you might be the rope another man needs to climb out of his own silence. We're building something here, a quiet brotherhood of men who choose depth over noise, purpose over approval. So stay strong, stay grounded, and know this: you're not walking this path alone anymore.